In this lesson, we're going to look at rounding to 2 decimal places and 3 decimal places. This is a follow-on from my previous lesson where we looked at just rounding to 1 decimal places. So let's have a look at the first example. So the first example is to round to 2 decimal places, 4.0258. And we're going to follow the same method we did in the previous lesson. We're going to start at the decimal point, but this time we're going to go 2 numbers to the right before we put our cut line in. And as before, we're considering, only considering ourselves with the 2 numbers either side of the cut line. So this is the number that we're looking at to make sure, or to decide whether it's going to round up or down. So remember, if it's between 0 and 4, then it goes down, and if it's between 5 and 9, it goes up. This case, it's 5, so it's going to go up. So instead of writing down 4.02, I'm going to add 1 onto the 2 to make it 4.03. Okay, let's have a look at another example of that just to make sure we're happy. We've got 16.1723. We're starting at the decimal point and we're going 2 numbers to the right because it's asking for 2 decimal places. We're going to put our cut line in there and we're concerning ourselves with these 2 numbers. Okay, we look at the one on the right. It's between 0 and 4, so this is going down. And remember, if a number goes down, we just copy and paste everything that's on the left-hand side there. So we get 16.17 as our rounded number. Now, we'll just have a look at one example of 3 decimal places. So we've got 8.4621. Now, because we're looking at 3 decimal places, we're going to go 3 numbers this time to the right before we put our cut line. We look at the number just on the right-hand side of the cut line, and that's a 1, so in this case we're going down. And as before, when we're rounding down, we just copy and paste what is on the left-hand side of the number. So it's 8.462. And that's how we round to 2 decimal places and to 3 decimal places.